So guys, in my initial overview video of Redmi 5, I promised that I will bring the device and will unbox it as soon as possible. I'll make sure I'll get this phone as soon as possible and I'll make a unboxing and first impressions video. So I fulfilled my promise and I am having the newly launched Redmi 5. But this couldn't have been possible without the support of our sponsors. A big shout out to them. Now let's unbox this phone and discuss all the features and specifications of it. Hey guys, this is Piyush from Tech Telepathy and today I am going to unbox the Redmi 5. So let's get started. But before we proceed further, you make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. The phone in this video is sponsored by Pankaj Mobile Center. Check description for more information. So guys, today I am having the device which is touted as the compact powerhouse by the company. But is this device the true compact powerhouse? Let's unbox it to find it out. Now let's unbox this phone. On opening the box, we are having a transparent silicone case. Now moving forward, we are having the gold colored Redmi 5. Just look at the phone, man. It's an 8,000 rupees phone and it's having 18:9 display. The future of technology is really going to be amazing, guys. Now we will keep this phone aside and let's check the other box contents. In the box, we are having some user manuals. Let's give them some space to survive. Moving forward, we are having a charging adapter which is having output of 5 volts and 2 amperes. And we are also having a USB-A to micro USB charging cable. At this price point, I am happy with the micro USB cable also. Now we keep all these things aside and move towards our device. Before setting up the device, I will give you a quick physical overview of the phone. On the top side, we are having a ear blaster, a secondary noise cancellation microphone and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Moving to the right side, we are having a power button and the volume rocker. Now moving to the bottom, we are having a single mono speaker and a micro USB charging port. And on the left side, we are having a hybrid SIM card tray which supports either 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card or 1 micro SD card at the same time. Now I will boot the device. It's showing the Android logo with typical Xiaomi branding. In the meantime, the phone boots up and I set it up. Let's have a quick look at the specs. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor and it is having 3 RAM variants. For the 2GB RAM variant, the available internal storage is 16GB. For the 3GB RAM variant, the available internal storage is 32GB. And for the 4GB RAM variant, the internal storage available is 64GB. The phone is having a 5.7-inch HD Plus LCD screen. For the camera department, it is having a 12 megapixel rear camera with f2.2 aperture and the front camera is of 5 megapixels. The phone is also having a 3300 mAh battery. So the phone setup has been complete. It is having MIUI 9 with some bloatware apps like some Microsoft apps and some Google apps. It is also having some social media and shopping apps. It's also having the Facebook app which should be deleted right now as you all know about its recent controversy. But if you don't know, then do check out my previous video. It's also having some Xiaomi specific apps. Now, if we go to About Phone, it's having the MIUI 9.2 with Android Nougat. It's also showing a new update in which there are some bug fixes and performance improvements. This variant is a 2GB RAM and 16GB storage variant, and out of 16GB you are getting around 7.99GB, that is 8GB approximately. Although it's having a 5.7-inch display, but it fits quite comfortably in one hand and we can use it easily with one hand also. Now we test the fingerprint sensor of this device. As expected, the fingerprint is very fast. In the camera department, the device is having a 12 megapixel rear camera with f2.2 aperture. For the front camera, the device is powered by a 5 megapixel shooter which is also having a LED flash. The camera was the weakest department of Xiaomi in the previous years, but this year the cameras are drastically improved in all the new launches of Xiaomi. The improved camera can be seen through the sample photos. This device clicks decent photos and color saturation also seems nice. The photos are sharp and clear in the daylight, but in low lighting conditions also this device performs well as it can be seen through these pictures. The front camera also clicks decent and normal selfies, not the moonlight or sunlight selfie. So guys, this is the Redmi 5. It's a pretty good phone with decent specifications and a very nice camera in its price point. And if you want camera comparison of this device with any other device of its price range, do tell me in the comment section below that against which device I will compare my Redmi 5 for the camera. I promise that I will deliver that video also. I hope you like my video and I will be very curious to show you some more interesting gadgets like this in the future. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me. For the time being, goodbye guys and see you in the next one.